Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Codeblock package is available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it directly by running the following command. You can adjust codeblocks with the command codeblocks or by searching in the search bar by typing codeblocks. Codeblocks will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.